What is the first thing you notice about a girl?
First thing I notice about the girl.
Oh, what a question.
3 qualities of an ideal partner.
I'm a vegetarian.
So, what is your biggest addiction?
दिन सगना दा चढ़िया. Saif is my love. I'll kill you. No, that's my answer.
Hi, I'm Siddharth Malhotra,
Hi, I'm Pariniti Chopra.
and you're watching.
Bollywood Hangama.
Alright, so rapid fire with Pariniti Chopra.
Chalo.
If you could marry someone jabran, who would it be from the respective field or profession?
Saif Ali Khan.
मैं professions पे आ रहा हूँ.
उनको बोलने तो दो.
From
फिर भी answer same
from
रहेगा.
Bollywood और उसमें bracket में ये है कि apart from Saif Ali Khan.
I'll kill you. No, that's my answer.
I know that. But
Apart from Saif. No, Saif. Saif is my love.
Alright, Hollywood.
Bradley Cooper.
Politician.
There are too many.
There are too many
The
politicians.
problem is I don't want to marry any politician.
Acha,
That should
wait,
be
that's
my
what you said. Too many.
I don't want to.
was
There's too many
confused.
good options, but I don't want to marry any politician ever.
She's being politically correct.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. I was just about to say that politically.
As long as I'm correct.
Correct.
Sports person.
Federer, I like him.
Alright, what is
cool.
one thing that you can never live without?
Never live without. I
Ji.
can't live without traveling. It's my first love. My passport. Can't live without my passport.
3 qualities of an ideal partner.
He should be funny. He should smell really good, and he should respect me.
If you could trade lives with anyone for a day, who would it be and why?
Trade lives with someone. Maybe with Ellen DeGeneres, just because she's my idol and I love her and
Wow.
the work that she does, and she's also very funny. So yeah, maybe I would like to live that life for a day.
That's great. All
Pata
right.
nahi.
What is your biggest addiction?
My biggest addiction? Food. I have to really fight my addiction. I'm a
Three-
recovering addict.
3 things that you and your partner must have in common.
My love for travel, love for water, the ocean, diving, whatever. And they should just be a self-made person. I love men who have self-worth, who have made their lives themselves. I don't like people who've been given their lives in
On a
platter. Not like, but like for my partner, I wouldn't like it.
Okay. A song that reminds you of an idea of a wedding.
Of a wedding.
Ji.
Din sagna da chadiya. That one.
Wow.
It'll be the
It's
song
a,
I'll
it's
use.
a folk song, no? What is it?
Yeah, it's a apna Punjabi ka. We've
Shagan
like
mein
literally
kuch gana hai.
grown up on it. So whenever I get married, I'll play that song everywhere. And
Okay.
even Kala Shakala.
What is your
वैसे
idea?
बजते हैं वो यार.
तो पंजाबी अगर पंजाबी वेडिंग
पंजाबी
होगी
wedding
तो
तो बजेगी.
Ji.
हाँ.
What is your idea of a perfect romantic date?
Literally sitting at home in a razai, watching TV, ordering great food, and just having a great conversation. Chill.
Ye ya wo, either or. If you have to choose between the two, chai or coffee?
Coffee.
Arranged marriage or love marriage?
Love marriage.
Vada pav ya burger?
Neither.
Chicken biryani ya mutton biryani?
I'm a vegetarian.
तो वेज बिरयानी
वेज बिरयानी क्या होता है?
या वेज बिरयानी
वो उसको बोलते हैं पुलाव. वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता.
पुलाव या पिलाव.
स्नीकर्स या सैंडल्स
Sneakers.
आईफोन या एंड्रॉइड
I've
सैफ अली खान या शाहरुख खान
Saif Ali Khan.
क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ या क्वांटिटी ऑफ लाइफ
Quality of life. What do you say?
व्हाट इज बेटर सर्टिफिकेट्स या एक्सपीरियंस
Experience is also a certificate.
मॉर्निंग पर्सन या नाइट पर्सन
Morning.
वुड यू रादर बी द फनीएस्ट पर्सन इन द रूम या द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट
To be the funniest person in the room, you have to be the most intelligent.
सो
Humor is.
Siddharth Malhotra, you have a tall
No,
order.
no.
I think that was a very good
Saif
rapid
and
fire.
SRK, okay.
Really? Saif and SRK? Saif,
Which
of
was?
course, love. Love is blind. Love के आगे कुछ दिखता नहीं.
नहीं नहीं प्यार दोस्ती है.
Oh, shit.
शाहरुख सर ने बोला.
तो फिर मैं किसको चूज करूँ? दोनों में से.
That's okay. That's okay.
Safe.
We'll settle for that.
No, I'm
Sido.
not. I'm just.
Yeah.
Be fiery
listening.
and be
I'm listening to the
rapid.
answers.
All right, so rapid fire with Siddharth Malhotra and just see how he flies. If you could marry someone jabran, who would it be from the respective fields or professions? From Bollywood,
If I could go back in time, Zeenat Amanji,
from Hollywood,
Scarlett Johansson,
Me also.
politician.
politician.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a tough one. I don't. If politician, I'll have to marry Jabran only, क्योंकि female politicians in our country I mean, no offense, I don't know any. So
There's several like Mahua Mitra is there.
There are many. Smriti
There's
Irani,
Nusrat,
Sheila Dikshit ji. There are many.
none
Nusrat
that.
Jahan.
None bol de.
Can I just say it has to be Jabran? I don't have to take a name.
Any sports person.
Tennis player, apni jo. Yeah, she's very hot. What's her name?
Apni
German. I blanked out on her name.
Sharapova?
Yeah, Sharapova. Correct.
Sharapova. Okay.
Yeah.
ये भी आंसर
She is
मैंने
hot.
दिया. Steroids.
not
1 point.
If you could change one thing about your looks, what would it be?
One thing about my looks, what would it be? My arm length, my sleeve. I don't fit into regular size jackets.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, my arm length is pretty long.
Really? Wow.
Why should boys have all the fun? What should be the answer by a boy for such a question?
Oh, what a question.
Why should boys have all the fun? So I have to answer it to a girl.
Yeah.
Well, let's meet tonight and I'll tell you. I'm trying to prove
So
my
I think
mettle.
it's like
It's a
a,
family
I'll see you
show,
tonight
please.
and.
this is, you know,
Never
it's
thought.
like a, yeah.
It's a family show. Faridun, I'm
no,
very
but-
it's very upsetting.
But
For
if
the
I have to
rapid
tell a
fire thing,
girl,
he's in the race.
I'll have to tell a girl like,
Yeah.
all right, let's meet tonight and I'll tell
and
you.
I'll tell you why.
Why do boys have all
Sure,
the fun?
sure.
Yeah. Who's the first person you call when you're in trouble?
I have a best friends, a group of best friends from my school, college. So there are about 3 or 4 people that I call one of them.
Are you friends with any of your exes?
Of course, yeah, of course. Do you want me to name them? No, I shall use them.
Faridun will be very excited if you name them.
I think the world will.
I've been very
more than
amicable
interested.
with all my people in my previous relationships.
Okay. Do you think confessions make a relationship stronger?
Absolutely, I think to have a true relationship, honesty is the best policy, but maybe not always.
That's a very good one.
It's
So maybe your answer is no.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
Just like
Now she wants the speaker as well. So she's just confusing.
yeah, she's trying to.
No, not
Confused.
at all.
which
Not
is-
at all. I'm saying
I
two
like the com-
confessions
I like the competitive-
I would have
Kabi,
answered no.
competition, neck to neck.
I would have answered no.
What is the first thing you notice about a girl?
First thing I notice about the girl, if from the back her hair, if from the front her eyes. I didn't say anything, guys.
मैं ऐसी गाने गा
What is that? Yeah.
All right. Ye ya wo. Either or.
Ye ya
or.
wo.
If you have to choose one. Stop using deodorant, ya stop using lip balm.
Stop using lip balm. I don't need lip balm.
Okay.
I've got juicy lips. Naturally, I have a lot of moisture on my lips. So some people have that. It's fine. Maybe on some off days. If
All right. Okay. Would you rather be the funniest person alive, ya the most attractive?
ooh. With my current state, I think the funniest.
Okay.
What does that mean? That you are the most attractive, so funny ले लेता हूँ.
It's-
Oh हो कितने problems.
I mean, if I have to explain it, oh my God, please इनको solve करना पड़ेगा. Thanks for
Instagram या Twitter?
Instagram.
Big party या small gathering?
Small gathering.
Butter chicken या paneer masala?
Grilled chicken.
Vacation with your family या vacation by yourself?
Family.
Sunrise या sunset?
Sunsets.
Monsoon या winter?
Winter.
Would you rather date someone you love या date someone who loves you?
Well, I think if I fall in love with anybody, it'll be reciprocated. So either or, doesn't matter to me.
Yeah, date someone you love. Yeah.
It won't be for that one-sided for that long.
Confidence.
Humble देखो कितना आदमी.
अरे but प्यार होता है ऐसा कौन सा कि मैं
Would you rather have 3 kids and no money
Okay.
या no kids with $3 million?
Oh shit.
Well, I don't know about parenthood, but definitely 3 kids with no money. Maybe a family. I'm a family person, so yeah.
You're Capricorn. So
I'm a
Capricorns,
Capricorn.
they
yeah.
are family persons.
Exactly. So I believe in that.
Right. Free Wi-Fi या free food?
What ये किसने questions किसने लिखे? जरा इधर.
Free Wi-Fi so I can order food.
Yeah, really.
Reverse one decision.
Okay.
Reverse one decision.
Yeah.
Yes, stop time for 10 seconds.
I think stop time for 10 seconds. Yeah. Decisions are made for a
time.
reason. Yeah.
So I think both of them have played like a very, very wonderful rapid fire. So I think I
But-
leave it to the audience. So
but-
what do you, Jay?
Oh, audience is all her team.
Audience
I
is
have-
all-
I have
Really,
a
your
winner.
team
You
is-
should
I have
decide.
been in my mind, but
Audience is
I
very
would like-
partial, guys.
You should
Don't
decide.
be partial.
The
Don't be
two
partial.
teams of both the
कहाँ है
players.
सब लोग? Where's
No, मैं
his
अपनी
team?
टीम से पूछता हूँ ना.
Team Sid.
Pam is at sit.
हाँ, Vicky. हाँ? सिद्धार्थ.
Sit.
Murtaza.
Yellow.
Siddharth?
Bollywood Hangama has spoken.
Guru?
वाला नहीं.
Same है.
Guru?
पुराना वाला नहीं, नया वाला चाहिए, नया वाला चाहिए.
Siddharth? Vicky? Okay. Tahir?
I want the new one.
हम already दे भी चुके तो अभी
I
तक
think-
बोल
नहीं,
रहे हैं।
मेरे को वो नया वाला
we are being-
चाहिए.
We are being fair. You were incredible, but I think he was in his element.
Little more fiery.
अच्छा,
He
ये
was
मैं पुरानी
in
खिलाड़ी
his
हूँ.
element.
You're a new winner.
So,
Fire किधर है?
We are all winners here, guys.
परिणीति अगर आप please.
Yes, please,
ये
Oh, thank you, thank you. How does it feel
Whatever.
for the playing field to be leveled?
Please, I can't hear you.
If
I
you
need
are
my
one speaker, I want
I
two.
need my speaker, please. Can't hear you.
Thanks, thanks. क्या दिखा रहे थे? अच्छा है, अच्छा है, अच्छा स्पीकर है, बहुत अच्छा है. हाँ, मेरे पास भी है, मेरे पास भी है. हाँ, अच्छा है, अच्छा है.
I also have okay, guys. We are all equals here.
No, I think that's absolutely fine. Like one
That's what we've come here for. मेरे को
You see,
बहुत naturally
that's
आता
fine.
है.
That's fine.
इनको
You
effort
were-
लगता है, मैं बहुत
You
naturally
did,
करता हूँ.
but it's fine.
Hi, I'm Siddharth Malhotra,
Hi, I'm Pariniti Chopra.
and you're watching
Bollywood Hangama.